If your screensaver is not activating on Windows 11, here is a straightforward solution. Begin by opening the Windows search bar and typing, "Change Screensaver." Select the option that appears, which is Change Screensaver. In the Screensaver settings window, you will likely see that it is set to None. Change this selection to a different screensaver from the drop-down menu. It is also advisable to set a shorter wait time. Avoid setting it to 10 or 15 minutes. Opt for a brief duration for testing. For better visibility, you can also choose a screensaver that is relatively opaque. After making these selections, click on the Apply button, and then click OK. Now, simply wait for the duration you have set, and your screensaver should begin to work. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.